If this video gets 100 likes, I will give this picture away.
Who is meant to be the imposter?
If
Don't
you
you
think
dare.
one of them is the imposter, please write it in the comments below. Who do you think the imposter is?
Oh my gosh.
Hello, this is Becky with iHeartArt Studios, and today I am going to be painting Among Us. Yes, Among Us. Little characters from a computer game, or a cell phone game, an app. I don't know. It is all the craze right now. Kids love it, teens love it, some adults enjoy it, myself included.
No! Dark green won that.
Yeah, I won because I was an imposter. Even though I'm a ghost, I'm a ghost. I downloaded it onto my phone. He showed me a little bit. We got addicted, started playing it, and we actually had quite a bit of fun.
That was the worst timing possible because I got locked out of electrical and then I was immediately locked out.
I didn't know where the button was to press that. Someone's at cameras?
Yeah.
No!
Whoa, we have a lot.
I would say if you've ever played the game Mafia, it's kind of like that. Oh!
Haha, we win! I won! I was the imposter and I killed you for the win!
You killed everyone?
Yeah.
What? I do not necessarily condone you or your kids playing this game. I'm not going to tell you whether you should or you shouldn't, or if it's safe or if it isn't.
Okay then.
You can just have different versions of that. I've seen my son play hide and seek with his theater friends, and they were screaming and laughing and having a lot of fun playing that game. Oh, he was an imposter.
That's one down. One more to go.
I can see everything. So I decided I was going to try and paint some Among Us people. If you watched the last video that I did, that I'll post right up here, you can actually see a little single Among Us that I created that I have at the studio right now. I've got Among Us happening. I have a big canvas. It's a big one. And I am going to paint a little scene on this canvas of some Among Us creatures. Aliens? I don't know. I really don't know what I'm going to be doing on this canvas. If I'm going to paint big Among Us creatures, alien people, what are they? If you know what they are, put it in the comments below. I also really enjoyed when I went in and saw that they had these really fun hats in honor of Halloween. Stick around to the end to find out which of the fun Halloween hats I decide to put on my Among Us people. That will be a surprise you'll want to stick around for. I think it's really cute when people have pets, but as you could see when we were playing, we already have some pets. I don't need more pets following me around. They have a pet. I want a pet. Oh, right here. I have one.
There we go. All 10 people are in. All right, we're starting. Finally.
Are you ready, Bentley? We're gonna play. Oh, belly rub? You want a belly rub? Oh, yes. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do a white background and keep the Among Us things. What are they? Who knows? So I may paint the background black with stars, like when you get into the Among Us and the creatures are floating around all over. Or I might just paint them large and in charge, standing there. I don't know. Ooh, maybe I want to do super sized. I never really know what I'm going to do until I start doing it because paint kind of has a mind of its own. In the short little bits that we played the game, I was the imposter twice, and I think we only played 3 games. So it was pretty cool. Pretty fun.
Come on.
What?
You did it right in front of somebody.
I don't know why you got there. All right. Let's get started and see what happens. I think I'm going to paint it all black, and then maybe I'm going to splatter some little stars among us. I hope that you will enjoy this video, watching me create whatever it is I decide to create. But it will be Among Us. So I'm going to start with these middle ones first. See here how it goes. All right, and I'm going to just speed this up so you don't have to watch all of this because it might take me a while to get things kind of fixed up. I got to go get approval from my son to see if this is kind of correct. And I'll put my hats on later. Okay, I need something that is round, that's smaller than this. It's maybe too small. This popcorn, the bottom appears to be the perfect round shape that I need. So I'm just
gonna do a little trace here. Use what you got. Use what you got. Oops, I moved it.
Would you like some popcorn? Oh, kind of stale. Oh, it's coming together. I have a plan. I'm so excited. Okay, I hope you're excited too. It's time to add the hats. I really am liking it so far. So are you ready for my final reveal? Here it is, right here. Here we go. I'm gonna show it to you. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. Isn't it cute? Oh man, I think this turned out amazing. This is my little Among Us tribute to the fun game. I love how it turned out. I think the mohawk is cute, the cat hat, the wolf hat, and the pumpkin hat. My favorites. I just could not resist putting them on my little creatures because I think that's just characters. That is what they're called. I gotta get my son's reaction now. For the final reveal.
Yep.
I'm very excited to see what you think.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Right, yeah.
Set.
Wow. I mean, I don't know what I expected, but it looks really good.
Thank you. I got the approval of the teen.
Yeah.
Does it look like that?
It looks good. Yeah, it looks accurate.
Good.
I mean,
do you have a favorite?
the mohawk looks really good.
Cool.
I really would love to give this picture away if you are interested in winning this picture. This is going to sound a little ridiculous because honestly, I don't really get a ton of likes on my videos because I'm just pretty new at posting videos. Please make a comment below. Tell me which one is your favorite. If this video gets 100 likes, I will give this picture away to the top comment on this video. That you have to make a comment, share this video with your friends, and ask them to upvote? To like your comment. If you want to win this video, you need to make a comment.
If this video gets 100 likes, then I will give it to the top comment.
If you enjoyed watching me paint this, please give this video a thumbs up if you have not done that yet. And please subscribe. I love doing painting videos, DIY videos, and I think this little Halloween seasonal painting of the Among Us little group going into their discussion is just a really fun thing that, I mean, why not? If you can't have fun when you're painting, then what is the point?
But I could be actually honest.
Yes.
You even got the right font type it too.
I know.
You also made it look too realistic. Is there actually meant to be an imposter here?
What do you think?
Okay, stop with the cryptic. Is there actually meant to be an imposter here?
Discuss.
You are... It's so frustrating. Is there meant to be an imposter in this picture?
Maybe.
You can't say maybe!
It is up to the viewer's discretion if there is an
You don't have to
imposter.
include this. Just tell me.
I'm really bad at making decisions.
You can find me on Reddit at iHeartArtStudios. Or Twitter, or on Instagram at iHeartArtStudios, or just find me. I'm not on Snapchat. Or find me at iHeartArtStudios.com. And that's all I have to say. Goodbye.